All right, dividing a polynomial by a monomial. If I start right in with dividing polynomials by polynomials, you get mad at me. So we're going to start pretty basic. And have you guys already looked and read down through this to see how easy and friendly it's going to be? One thing that I need you to remember, and you don't have to write this down, but we've seen problems like this, haven't we, in the past? And we have to remember that the 2 divides into both things in the numerator, right? So this would be an x plus 3. Okay, what about this? Can I reduce that one? So if I wanted to reduce it, I could say this. Yes, you're right. I'd have to break it apart, right? Or if you wanted it as one fraction, the 2 has to be able to divide into both of them. Okay? All right, so let's come back over here. I don't know if I can handle glasses in this thing at the same time. You can either rewrite the problem physically or in your mind. I don't mind at all. But what you're doing is dividing each term of that numerator by your denominator. If you're like me and you like to cross things out, maybe you do want to rewrite it. Totally up to you. Now, remember, what do we do with exponents when we're dividing? That's why you got to practice yesterday. We subtract. For sure, we subtract. So, oh, land, I do. I need my glasses. All right. So this is kind of how I like to do it. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2. Which way do the x's need to move? Up. Was that no big deal? All right. Plus, 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. I better make that look like a y. All right. 3 into 18. So minus, I'll just use that 6. 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. And what happens with my y's? They cancel. And that's how we got that right there. So if you like to physically see things cross off, rewrite the problem. Should we do this one in our head, though, and see? No objections? All right. So we're going to divide here, and we're going to divide here. Does 4 go into 5? No. So we're going to leave it as 5/4. I didn't need that fraction bar to be that big. I don't know where my whiteout is either. All right. What happens with my a's? They cancel. B's, 7 minus 1 is, how do I know if it goes in the numerator or the denominator? Yeah, wherever it's bigger, right? So b to the 6th. I'm going to write really big so I can use this whole line. And what about my c's? Which way do they move, top or bottom? Okay, I used the whole fraction bar. That's impressive, by the way. All right. Now we're going to come over here. Minus, what's 20 divided by 4? Now, is the 5 going to go on top, out front, on the bottom? All right. A's. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. All right. Good job. Because this is so ugly, 5/4 b to the 6th c minus, I didn't need the fraction bar. You're right, Chance. That's so much prettier. All right. Okay, let's do this second one. 7 what? X to the second y plus 3x minus 2. Wait a second. Good. Okay, that's as crazy as it gets today, you guys. Good job. Easy.
Inverse matrix indices.